Hello, this is Greg from Virtual Hi-Fi, and today we are visiting Sky Audio from Poland. Sky Audio is a specialist in great sounding OTL amplifiers. The Gemini monoblocks and preamp we're going to listen today are rated at 120 watts per channel, and as you can hear, they sound very open, dynamic, natural and colorful at the same time. The speakers you'll hear are semi-open baffle 3-way loudspeakers from Qualio Audio. They sound great with solid-state or push-pull vacuum tube amps, but connecting them to OTL might seem a bit crazy. They are rated at 4 ohms, but the impedance is 2.7 ohms at the lowest point, making them a great test for any vacuum tube amp and even more difficult for any OTL amplifier. So just enjoy the video and listen to this unique system.
Day breaks and when I turn, you're not on my pillow. My head shakes and then the penny drops. Still your t-shirt on my chair, penciled hearts on paper. I try not to think, but I can't stop. And doubt sets in like a storm, I could feel it coming, and words echo out yesterday. Time pushed me to the edge, the jump was my decision. I've only got myself to blame, 'cause I have no right to love you when I chose to walk away. I have no right to miss you when I didn't wanna stay. And I have no right to need you when I knew what my heart was gonna lose. I have no right to love you, but I do. I still do. Yeah, I still do. Night falls, I'm wide awake, wishing I could call you. I'm too used to hearing all about your day. The cold creeps up next to me, now we don't share these covers, but I've no license to complain, 'cause I have no right to love you when I chose to walk away. I have no right to miss you when I didn't wanna stay. And I have no right to need you when I knew what my heart was gonna lose. I have no right to love you, but I do. I still do. You know I care, but I can't be there to make this unmade bed of roses. And you deserve to be put first. I had to let you go. I have no right to love you, and I chose to walk away. Have no right to miss you when I didn't wanna stay. And I have no right to need you when I knew what my heart was gonna lose. To ask if you're okay when I left you so confused. I have no right to love you, I have no right. I have no right to love you, but I still do. Yeah, I still do. Oh, I still do.
너와 나 우리의 여름밤 그 세 글자 네 눈에 떠올라 잠깐만 아니야 떠오른 그 말 오늘은
Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and please let me know in the comments what do you think about the sound. Did you like it? Also, check out the playlist with more videos like that on our channel. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye!